The Paraclaw buckle is meant to be a clasp for a paracord bracelet and as an emergency cutting tool. But I was wondering if we could make it into a dedicated cutting tool. But not just any cutting tool, let's make it a KARAMBIT. Due to its hawkbill style blade, this made perfect sense, so let's get right into it. In terms of materials, I have my Paraclaw buckle, some paracord, and a key ring. I'll have links down below for everything I use. And as you can see, the blade unsheathes when you pull down on that sort of latch part on the side, and then the blade releases. So with my piece of paracord, I'm going to take the midpoint and pass it through the hole on the base of the blade. A lacing needle or spike can help push the cord through. And with a loop of cord through, you can then pull the running ends through the loop to form the cow hitch knot. Then pull it closed to tighten the hitch knot. Next, we're going to take our key ring, and then with the right running end, we're going to pass it through the front of the key ring. And then the left running end is going to pass through the back of the key ring. This is going to form our handle, so you can test how long you want to make it. My paracord handle is going to be about 2 inches of woven section. And now with the right cord, we can pass it over the core strands and under the left cord. Then the left cord goes behind the core strands and out the crook on the right. Pull tight and close up that first cobra knot. This is also where you want to ensure that your length is right. Then we're going to continue our cobra knots, and the lead cord is now on the left. Pass the left over the core strands and then under the right cord. Then the right cord goes behind the core and out the crook on the left. So that is the pattern, and continue tying cobra knots all the way down your core strands until you reach the blade side. Once we reach that side, we're going to rotate the piece around and then continue tying a second pass of cobra knots over the first set, making king cobra knots. Repeat this process going back the way you came until you reach the keyring side. After the final cobra knot, pull tight, and then from there we can snip off the excess cords, melt with the lighter, and press down on the melted ends to lock them down in place. And now we have our Paraclaw KARAMBIT. I know it's not the most practical cutting tool, but I really just wanted to see how this would turn out. The keyring also allows you to grip the knife in this reverse style KARAMBIT grip, and you can twirl it around as some KARAMBIT experts do. But be careful doing this, as of course you can cut your arm if you aren't careful. In fact, don't twirl it around at all. Do as I say, not as I do. However, you can still use this Paraclaw KARAMBIT in a typical knife grip and would definitely be just fine for light EDC cutting chores and tasks. Practical or not, I still think it's pretty cool.